All right, guys, we're back. I'm gonna give you an update on the race car. I haven't been making any videos because I've just been so busy. I feel really sorry. We made a really good one, and I can't bring it out yet because I can't just keep starting all these projects and not finish them. So this is the Porsche Boxster that we're putting the Audi motor in, and this is the 2.7 twin turbo motor, and it came out of this 2000 Audi, the 2.7 twin turbo. So you know the motor's in the back, so we're taking things off the front. I took the headlights out. I don't know if I'm going to put actual headlights back in or just some fake covers on this, just to make it lighter, because I'm only going to drive it during the day. We took this piece of the plastic out here. You know, it's just a couple grams. Took all this out. I found these cords in here. This had a bunch of stereo system. I gutted all that stuff. This is all integrated for the electronics, or no, this was for the stereo, so I took all this out. This was just added to the harness, so it still has the stereo and everything in it, but I'm taking that out as well. So this is weight. This piece goes to the electronic HID headlights, which is all rewired in and extra and grounded for those nice headlights that I'm selling. 2,500. They retail for $5 grand. So I got some of the stuff out. The battery goes right here in the front of the car. I took the plastics out, you know, all the carpets, so you can see what everything looks like. There were some rubber pieces here. I took those out. There was the same rubber pieces. There was 3 of them right here, but they didn't go to anywhere on the side over here in the back. So like, what? It doesn't make any sense. Maybe that was a different model or something. So as you can see, like, there's a piece of metal here and a piece of metal here, and you can barely see the little end of it. See where I cover it with my finger? So that's extra weight. We took that out. I think we're going to start now on this air conditioning system cables, because we're not gonna have air conditioning. So we're gonna take all this out, all this. We're gonna come over here, and this is where you would change your fluid for your air condition, the high and the low, and we're gonna take all this out as well, and that's all weight.
Welcome back to Kreationz, and today I just want to show you the difference between the gut that we did on the race car and what the daily driver normally looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what's inside the front here, the front trunk, as I raise the hood.
So just because you made it this far, I got a little joke for you.
Now, as you can see inside this one, everything is still intact. So we have all the coverings, the battery covering, all the nice plastics, the cowl, the plastic that goes around to protect the brake system. There's an amp in here. This is the spare tire, and it also, inside the spare tire here, as you can see, there is also behind here, when you take this nut off and pull this out, there's a toolkit behind here as well. So the spare tire and the toolkit, I know, weighs 60 pounds. Now this is also a spare toolkit that comes with all of your Porsches, this little wrap-up kit. And this kit, when it's actually full, weighs 8 pounds. So this is 60 plus 8 right here. That's 70 pounds. And all these little plastics, once you take these off, these plastics do weigh about 2 pounds. Now, you see the little metal rods in here, these metal that go across, and you can see down into there, those metal pieces. Those are all the air conditioning system. So the air conditioning system, the engine is in the rear of the car, but it has to come through the fenders and around. And then there's AC accumulators up here. And we took all those out and we took everything out from here. We took all this carpet out. There's no more carpet around. So I am guesstimating that we took out 90 to 100 pounds with all the plastic, the tire, the toolkit, the other toolkit, the amp, all the plastic, and those metal lines that go across the AC. So I just wanted you to see what one looks like this. And
You know what? I'm just feeling bored today, so let's just break something or chop something up. Yeah.
what one looks like completely gutted out the front. Now, I know some of you Porsche people don't know what some of this stuff is, but this is some extra wiring that went to that expensive Litronic kit. It's just spliced in. It doesn't hurt my system, and I can still use the factory OEM lights that I put back in because I'm trying to sell the other lights. So once I sell the other lights, this wiring will come out, but it might weigh 1 pound. You know, I mean, I don't know what this box weighs, but I don't want to mess with it until we're ready for that. Now, as you can see, we did take out all the everything, paneling, everything. I even disconnected the hook here, but we still have a lot of work to do. So I am going to even probably cut out with the grinder some of this metal pieces. I'm going to take out whatever plastic pieces that we don't need, rubber pieces that we don't need. And then I still have to get the fender off to get this AC unit that goes down in here. And here's a piece of AC unit that goes into the dash. Once we do the dash from the inside of the car, we're going to be able to get the rest of these AC units out as well. I don't want to try to damage them because we have another 2 Porsches, so we can use all this stuff on the other Porsche, or we can sell this to recoup some money. Now, if there's any other little pieces that are sticking out, like something screwed to it but not going to screw to it anymore, like this, we're going to cut these off. These are where the little pieces went to hold on to the carpeting system. These are going to come out as well. We're going to grind all those out. And here's another one over here. We took all the little plastic pieces like this. This is going to have to go. These little plastic pieces. I mean, people were like, oh, that doesn't weigh anything. Well, if you get 20 of them, it might weigh half a pound. You know, if you cut this off and cut this off and cut some more stuff off, by the time you cut 30 of them off, it makes a huge difference. So I'm going to get some more work done, and you guys can see about how it is. So far, we're at 100 pounds off the front. And that's not including any of what's been taken out of the front bumper. You're gonna have to watch my video on how to gut the AC out of the front bumper.
The progress that we've made so far. Right now we're only doing weight reduction because I'm kind of stumped up on working on other people's cars and getting the motor done. I haven't even torn the motor apart. It's been 2 weeks. I've been slacking. So this is gonna be part 2 of the Outster build. So get back to us, leave us a like, a subscribe, hit notifications all, because we're not always just working on Porsches or BMWs. We work on everything. Whatever you like, if you want to see us work on it, leave a comment down below and I'll get one. I have about every toy, but they're all used and broken, so I'd gladly fix it on tape for you to help you out. If you've done this kind of job before, or if you have a Boxster and you've gutted it or turned it into a race car, or you put an LS swap in or something, also leave a comment down below, because maybe we could help each other out. I might know how to do something you know you're having a hard time with, even though it's another motor, or you might find something that's could help me. So, you know, information is free. YouTube is supposed to be for education, so let's help each other out. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.